Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic comparison operator in PHP. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is comparison operator in PHP. So the question is that what is comparison operator? So the comparison operator is used to compare two values in PHP language. So there are many types in which we can compare two values. Suppose I am taking the first one, that is equal. Then now I am explaining the syntax. First of all, PHP tag start and PHP tag close. In between this, I will take two variables, give the value that is x and y. After that, I am giving the value of x, that is 10, and the value of y is 10, and then semicolon. After that, where dump. After that, brackets. In between this, I will write this $x and $y, and the syntax that is equal to. So I will write here $x is equal $y. So here is our display screen. So what we are checking that these two values are same or not of this first statement and second statement. So these are two variables same. So here will be printed true. So if I am taking here 100, so it becomes false. So this is used to compare these two signs. So the second one would be equal. Three equals are being generated here, and the syntax is same. PHP tag start and close. In between this, I am taking two variables. Suppose first is x, second is y. Now we will take the value. Suppose I am taking 10, and here also I am taking 10. Then semicolon. After that, to check the value, we will write where dump. After that, we will pass the value, that is $x is equal $y, and then semicolon. So this is the display screen. So what we have to comparison, that is this value, this and this value. Suppose 3 of this we have to check in 3 equals 2. So this is not the same value that is being printed up. So it will take false because the two variables are not same. Suppose if I am taking here x, so these two are same. So here will be printed true because the three of the statements is equal, comparison operator is being true, declared okay. So now next we are discussing the next syntax, that is not equal to. Suppose the syntax is same, PHP tag start and PHP tag close. In between this, we will take the variables. Suppose I am taking x and next is y. And now giving the value. Suppose I am giving 10. After that, where dump. So to check the value, I will pass my variable here. $x not is equals to $y. So the question is when asking that is the value not same? So we will check, but these are the same values. So it will be printed false because the values are same and they are asking us that is the value not same. So we have written here false. Suppose I am taking here 100. So these values are not same. So the question is asking that is the value are not same. So the answer will be here true. So this is the next syntax. So next can be greater than, equal to, less than equal to, or this. As many others, there are used in comparison operators. So in this way we can use comparison operator in PHP programming language. So now we will meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.